So yesterday we crossed 50,000 followers on Instagram, and it's just so weird seeing that number written over there, but thanks to all of you. So anyway, I had few other concepts in my mind regarding Instagram photo shoot, but this time I thought of styling my outfits in a different way, because why not, let's just up our Instagram game, feed game. So yeah, तो मैं तो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के आउटफिट स्टाइल करने वाली हूँ, बट डोंट गो एनीवेयर, यू कैन डू द सेम विद योर ओवरसाइज क्लोथ्स या फिर पापा के क्लोथ्स, भैया के क्लोथ्स, सो व्हाई नॉट. सो let's get styling.
The most common thing which you can steal from anyone's closet is a good jacket. I have paired it with my white bralette and basic black shorts. Styled my hair with a bandana to add some fun element to this edgy look. This look is super duper easy to recreate. You can even switch bralette with a t-shirt and jacket with a coat or a blazer. And this is the photo which I got. Glad to have captured all of my outfit detailing through this one. Looks very edgy and chic and cool at the same time. Next, I have stolen my guy's neon oversized tee along with his shorts only, which I have adjusted with a belt. And for the oversized tee, I tucked some of it in my bralette inside to add some curve to the whole look. Just playing around in the corner stairs, keeping my expression simple and relaxed. Also added a fun golden neck piece to create a cool vibe. And this is what I got. Again, my whole look is clearly visible and I'm literally just sitting and doing nothing. Such an effortless one. This again is a very simple look created using a checkered shirt which I have buttoned in a mix match way to give it a high-low effect, and paired it with my denim shorts. Added shell hoop earrings to add a fun element to an overall casual basic look. You can style this shirt even with jeans and you're gonna rock it. And this is what I got. I genuinely wish there was a beach behind me and not this plain wall, but hopefully soon once this whole lockdown situation gets over. Then I styled my all-time favorite dad's pants and tied it with a belt, and obviously loving the ruffle detail that the belt gives on my waist. Wearing my normal white top on top of it, and that's about it. Pants suddenly adds confidence to the whole look, and I just wanted to convey the same through my photograph as well. So yeah. And this is the result. I'm absolutely loving this one. You guys let me know. Also, my editing video is in description box, so do not forget to check that out. And finally, I tried to pose in a loose kurta too, and sorry for the bad lighting guys. Anyway, kept my hair in a messy bun, and that's literally about it. Trying to keep my expression simple and calm in this one, and I'm not even trying to move my body and hands a lot too. And this is what I got. When you're shy, just look down and your photo is just ready. Let me know how are you guys liking this one.
So guys, before you ask me, I always use my mobile phone, which is Google Pixel 2. I always get this question, even though like I say in the video, like do not forget to check out the description box, and उस video में मैं बोलती भी हूँ कि I use Google Pixel 2. But for once and for all, I'm saying it for the last time, I use Google Pixel 2. And it is not an app, it is an actual mobile phone. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Let me know कैसी लगी. I just wanted to make it, you know, stylish and थोड़ी different and experimental. Do not forget to recreate these, because I just love watching your recreations, and sometimes I feel that you guys do it a lot better than me. Keep inspiring me along the way, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because yay, I'm just so excited. So yeah, subscribe it, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.